Hi, this is Mike Maloney, and I wanted to do an update on the death of the dollar. This is something that I've been talking about at appearances for many years now. I started talking about this actually back in 2007, 8, and 9, where the United States, our leaders, were abusing the dollar standard, the global dollar standard that was put in place at the end of the Bretton Woods monetary system. And it was a benefit to the United States that was enormous. There was a stealth wealth transfer from the rest of the world. The monetary system that we were under was sort of a tax on the rest of the world, and it continuously transferred very small amounts of wealth from the rest of the world to the U.S., and it's one of the reasons that our living standard has been so high. And I was talking about how dangerous it was that our politicians seemed to think that this was their birthright and that they could abuse this without consequence. Well, the consequences are happening. They keep on happening. If you watch episode 3 of Hidden Secrets of Money, it's about the death of the dollar standard. And just last Saturday, the People's Bank of China and the Canadian Prime Minister's office issued a statement that Canada will establish North America's first offshore trading center for the renminbi, the Chinese currency. This is a big deal. This is happening all over. A little while back, England started issuing bonds denominated in renminbi. So they're issuing debt denominated in renminbi instead of US dollars or British pounds. And the rest of the world is calling for a de-dollarized global economy. Well, more than half of the dollars that exist outside the United States. And when they don't need them, what happens is everybody starts coming here with their dollars and buying up assets. It's similar to what happened in the 80s when Japan was, Japanese companies were buying up places like Rockefeller Center, all the best real estate. And it causes inflation in certain asset classes when that happens. Also, Russia and China just signed a second gas deal, and it's another huge deal that spans over 30 years. And China is actually buying 10% equity into the gas company that's going to be supplying the gas from Russia. So this is more of a partnership. And the deal most likely will not be done in US dollars. It's going to be done in rubles and yuan or renminbi. And this is a very, very big deal. It's the end of these global monetary systems only seem to last between 20 and 40 years or so. And we're about 43 years into this one. And it's developing stress cracks now to where these things are happening at a rate far higher than ever before. And when the whole thing starts to fall apart, there's going to be a lot of chaos happening. And the main thing is that gold and silver should rocket astronomically. So we'll see how this plays out, but it's something that everybody should pay attention to. Thank you very much.